We started our visit with a stay at the Hilton Garden Inn. We were there during the holidays, so you can see there are a few different types of decorations included there. Here is a nice seating area and a food delivery waiting area. Here's a picture of a organizer that we have on the dresser. This metal thing was sticking out, so I just added a roll of toilet paper so I wouldn't cut my leg. I did report that to corporate. There are flyers in the lobby. You can pick up one of these and plan your stay if you're planning to stay a little bit longer. Lots of good information in there. This is located in the Burbank area, so on our way up we stopped off to get some snacks and coffee and enjoy the decorations and take some photos. And here we are heading into Warner Brothers, and that's Frenchie's hair salon. Here are some costumes and decor that you can enjoy in the shop lobby. The lobby is located in the area where you will be waiting to enter for your tour. Lots of cute things available in the shop, and there are also some dioramas of Harry Potter themed. And here we are starting on the tour, just taking pictures of all the different buildings. Of course, when you are on the tour, they are giving you a narrated guide to all of the different sites, buildings, stages, and what has been filmed there in the past, as well as what is being filmed currently. I believe one of the things, was it Abbott Elementary or is that at Universal? At one point, we even were able to exit the tram and walk around into one of the studios where they are actively filming. They were not filming that day, but we were able to walk through. If you recognize any of the sets here, feel free to add it into the comments. It was pretty cool to go into to see this area. This is where they build the sets, and it smelled like fresh wood, so you know this is like a working area. And they drive right through the middle of it, so you can really just be like right in the work area. And they talk about how all the different things are built for the filming. There's some Friends themed cookies, that's fun. Some Friends themed coffees. They have snacks and sandwiches. It was really a fun day. It's fun to see all the different themed things in the cafe. So they have all the furniture and everything themed after Friends. I don't know that it's the original authentic furniture, but it's fun to get your coffee and stuff and just kind of sit down and act like you're hanging out in the Central Perk or in the kitchen of the Friends. The famous door, and then some of Phoebe's clothes, and her guitar. Of course, who can forget Smelly Cat? The Friends umbrellas. And here we have some other popular little puppets from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And some more costumes. These are all on display there in the lobby, so you can walk through and take a little self-guided tour of the area. So you can take your time at each area and take as many photos as you like. And here we are going into the Gilmore Girls themed area, and this is seasonal just for Christmas. So this was really cool. This lady was there forever taking selfies. They did have some snacks and drinks there. Nothing really too spectacular. And then I'm sure you recognize all the different areas of themed Gilmore Girls and the costumes. And then here we're walking down the street, and on this street are all the different buildings featured in the TV series Gilmore Girls. So this was really fun. Of course, I was like nerding out on all the different stuff around Stars Hollow. Yeah, so that was really fun. And then the last thing we did before we left was just take a tour around where more of the costumes are. And this part is all self-guided. So again, you can take as many photos as you like. You can hang out in this area. This is separate from the tour. This wasn't like extra admission. We just did self-guided.